Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a PAN for a partnership firm. First, you'll need to understand the importance of a permanent account number for your business. Before you begin, gather all necessary documents and ensure every partner has their individual PAN. You can choose to apply either online or through an offline process, depending on your preference and convenience. Let's get started with the details. For the online application, your first step is to visit the official NSDL or UDITSL website. Once there, you'll need to select Form 49A, which is specifically for new PAN applications. Carefully fill in all the required details about your partnership firm, ensuring accuracy in every field. Finally, upload scanned copies of all your supporting documents as specified on the portal. When applying, you must provide a copy of your partnership deed, which is crucial for verification. Additionally, submit a valid proof of address for your firm, such as a utility bill or rental agreement. Don't forget to include identity proofs for all individual partners. The application fee is typically around 107 rupees, which you can pay online or through a demand draft. After completing the form and attaching all documents, submit your application. You will receive an acknowledgement number. Make sure to note this down carefully, as it's essential for tracking. You can then use this number to track your PAN application status online through the same portal. Once processed, your physical PAN card will be dispatched and delivered to your firm's registered address by mail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.